The present continuous. We use the present continuous to talk about things we are doing now. We usually use it with words like at the moment, now, today. The present continuous is the present tense of be plus and ing form. Affirmative. I am walking to work. Negative. He is not watering the garden. Question. Are you studying? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. What are you eating? Where is she going? Is he singing? No, he's not singing. He's playing a guitar. It's snowing now.